Kailangan may ganyan kami sa bahay.
Perfect. Galing. Wow! Ganda. Ganda ng sulat mo ah. Maganda pa yung sulat mo sa akin eh. Maganda pa yung sulat mo sa akin. Nakabaligtad pa yan. Very good. Wow.
Okay.
Very good.
Grabe. But I know, I don't give it a point number.